Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I know my little setup here isn't the cutest, along with my face and everything else. But today's video, I'm gonna do a Bible journal with me. I don't know if this is like actually a thing that people do here on YouTube. I have no idea. I probably should have like searched for that before I started this video, but whatever, it's fine. Basically, I'm just gonna be journaling in my Bible and I'm gonna film myself doing it. For today, I'm just gonna like set some music to it, but let me know if you guys like these videos and if you want me to like talk through them and kind of talk about my process, or if you just like me setting music to them and just literally watching me journal in my Bible. Just let me know. I will have every single thing linked down in the description box down below that I will be using, as well as my journaling Bible. All right, let's just go ahead and get right into this video.
I have searched many years on end. There was none that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence in here. This very hour, for your presence in here. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the peace I seek. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the joy I seek. I have searched many years on end. There was none that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence in here. This very hour, for your presence in here. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the peace I seek. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the joy I seek. In your presence I am free from the chain that has bound me. In your presence I am calm, waiting for the kingdom come. In your presence I am free from the chain that has bound me. In your presence I am calm, waiting for the kingdom come. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the peace I seek. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the joy I seek. I have searched many years on end. There was none that my soul could depend. My soul cries out for your presence in here. This very hour, for your presence in here. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the peace I seek. In His name I find, in His name I find, in His name I find the joy I seek. I have searched